Hello all, I am again back with a new video on Python. Let's see how to use the print function in Python. It is a built-in function in Python which is used to print anything on the screen. We can just give the string or number or anything to it and it will print for us. So you can see the example here. We can print multiple statements using the same print function by separating all the strings or the numbers by comma. So I have done the same on the screen. You can see I'm printing multiple statements using the same print function. So now we already know how to use the print function. Now let's see how to use various arguments provided with the print function. So we are going to see the concept of separator in print function. Separator separates the multiple strings that we are providing to the print function. For example, if I take separator equals to @ then the multiple strings will be separated by @ instead of space. Similarly, we can take anything as our separator. So now let's see the concept of end in print statement. It's very simple. In the end we always get a new line, but we can modify it as per our needs. We can get a tab or double new line in the end by modifying the end statement in the print function. So here comes the quick example on the screen. So now we know how to use the separator and end statement in print function. So now let's make a single print function utilizing both of them. That's all for today. My new video will be uploaded shortly.